kotiare prechendo nendo mar Ndiko Jopuonj Tich oyango kanyendo ne migawo nendo ka okalo kuom kamisena mandiko jopuonj Tich Service Commissioner osetemo duto mar neno ni jopuonj mayo gana 40 gin mago eko mondiki tich nendo mongirore kendo bende koro gidwaro mar mondo jogo eko manitiere koda namba kata TC namba to noyudo tije mamoko bende mar mondo koro yang tije mane giyudo mar mondo kik ne ni kwan mag jopuonj mathoth nitiere mago eko mapoko ondiki tich ka gidwaro ng'eyo kwano gogo mag jopuonj modong' mar mondo ne kaka inyalo timgi.
With the issue relating to an audit of the teachers in this country, it is ongoing as we speak. One of the things that we discovered is that everybody who has a TSC number was looked at as an unemployed teacher. And Senator Nyutu is here, he's a teacher with a TSC number which he has never returned, but now is looked at as an unemployed teacher. So when we give the data for the unemployment of teachers, we include him. So we have the wrong data. So that exercise is now being undertaken, and I think there was an advert by TSC for all the teachers with TSC numbers to go into the portal and indicate what they are doing currently, so that we can now have a proper data of all the teachers that are employed by TSC, all the teachers that are in private employment, and all the teachers who've since left that particular profession to do other things. So we will be able to avail that once the exercise is completed.